The Nike Air Max 95 continues to lead Nike's Retro Air Max lineup, bringing excitement from its anniversary releases into 2026. This women's edition stands out with a mix of green tones including olive aura, spruce aura, and medium olive, giving it a fresh and vibrant look. The upper combines glossy overlays with crinkled metallic silver leather panels, creating a unique layered design that catches the eye. Below, a sail-inspired midsole features the signature Big Bubble Air unit, providing both style and comfort. The outsole continues the green theme with dual-shade detailing, completing the bold look. Perfect for collectors and sneaker enthusiasts, the Air Max 95 Olive Aura offers a fresh take on a classic silhouette. Expect this release in spring 2026 at Nike and select retailers, priced around $190 US. Don't miss out on adding this statement piece to your sneaker rotation.